Hi, and welcome back to the Joy of Painting. I'm Isaac, your host, and we're going to have a happy little Halloween episode today. So first, we're going to start off with some cadmium yellow, tap it right onto that brush, and just go right up here in the sky and start slapping it in. And let's just put some happy little clouds right in this painting. And let's just put a mountain right up here like that. Now let's grab the smallest little amount of bright red and some white and mix it up for this happy little snowy color. Let's put it right on the mountain and drag it down real lightly just to make some little snowy things. Now let's grab some phthalo blue and put it into this white to make the shadow color. Drag it across and just put it right on in. Now let's just tap along the bottom of the mountain until it's nice and fluffy down there. Let's grab a fan brush, get some of the mountain color, and just make some happy little trees back here. Just pull right down for the reflections. Get some white on our knife, cut across. Just cut in a happy little water line right here. And just make some happy little trees right down there. Let's pull this down too. I think that a happy little tree comes right down right here. Now let's just put the happy little branches on this tree. Now let's just grab some of our mountain color and some yellow. We're just gonna tap in some happy little fields going right over here. Now let's put some highlights on these little trees. We're just gonna tap our brush and all these little things and just tap around. Now this is looking like a finished painting. From all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and happy Halloween.